7 days time, right? On 20th of January, Donald Trump is going to become president. This year, people that follow this advice will make times 10, times 20, times 50, times 100 of whatever they put in crypto. So ignore that it's going down. Now it's going red in crypto markets. When people are scared, that's when you go and buy. So now is the time to buy, because you will never see Bitcoin at this price again. This 89,000, you will not see it again. Now is to go. So let's see if that prediction was correct. Let's check the price of Bitcoin. Let us check the price. It was 89,000 when I made that prediction. 89,000, okay? Whoa! 103,000. Whoa! 103. Are you kidding me? 103,000. 103,000. I've been telling you to get into it, and many of you have been doubting. Oh God. I've been telling you to get into it. Many of you have been doubting. 103,000 from 89 last week. If you had followed my advice, I've been consistently right since last year, and I told you I'm not doing guesswork. There's a machine that is predicting what I'm saying, the price of crypto. It's in investorpath.org. You go there, it's predicting the price of crypto. Go there and register and buy a list. It's based on your budget and everything. To ask you some questions, you buy the list of crypto to invest in, and then you go there and invest. Your list will be different from any other person's list, because the system is thinking. It will study the market over 8,000 cryptos based on your budget. Which one has the higher chance of making you the most money? Everybody that watched that video and took the cue immediately went and invested in Investor Path. They have cashed out today. 1 week. You know, there was a lady yesterday, right? This lady was telling me that she wanted to buy land. And land is how many percent? That she will sell it at the end of the year as business, whether she should invest it in crypto. I said, yes, rush. Last night she invested it in crypto. This morning she has made 20%. Why? Because we're at a very unique period. And I said it, I gave number of days. I don't know how accurate a prophet can be again for you to believe. I gave number. All these fake prophecies that will tell you that the 2020 will be good and all this, and all those ones are fake. I'm telling you. When I predicted it last week, I said you have 7 days till 20th. And today is 18th or what? Let me check. What's today's date? Today is 18th. So you have today, Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday, 19th, and Monday. If you want to make maximum profit from crypto this month, this is what's going to happen. And Bitcoin that is 103 today, before that 20th, it will be clocking somewhere around 105 to 110. People that still took my cue this to now, that invested now, will stay cash out. It's cash out time, bro, on crypto. Crypto has 2 seasons. One is what? Bull run. Bull is when it's going up. The other one is bear market, when it's going down. All right? We have entered bull run. In this bull period, there are certain cryptos that will do well, certain will not do well. If you don't know what you are doing, you go into the market, you invest in the one that will not do well, your money will vanish. But if you invest in the ones that will do well, it will make a lot of money. A whole lot. So to avoid any mistakes, go to investorpath.org. The machine learning algorithm there will handpick cryptos to you and give you predictions. Say this one is long term. If you want to cash out in 1-2 years time, this is it. And it's low risk, is less likely to disappear. This low risk. This one is medium. It will make you more money, but also it can lose you more money. You know, this is the prediction that it will do better. Then the last one, this one can make you times 50, times 100 of whatever you put in. If you put in 1 million, you cash out 100 million. But also it can collapse anytime. So if you want to take risk, so it will give you 3 categories. 3 categories. So now you're expected to pick 2 out of each, or just spread your money. You don't put everything in one crypto. You spread your money, you go and sleep. Now, because they are handpicked, they are generally all going to do well. Your money will generally all go up. and the system sends you alerts and notifications to inform you. Like everybody that invested in the past 1 or 2 weeks, they're going to receive notifications if there's a time to cash out, because it's cash out period for crypto. I told you many millionaires will be made this year. Many people this year will become millionaires. Many. And it's going to start in the next 1 or 2 days. I've consistently said it. I've not changed what I've been saying. Next 1 or 2 days, you will start seeing testimonies. Testimonies are already coming in. Like the lady of yesterday that made extra 20% of her investment. 20% means that, let's say you invested 10 million naira last night. You wake up this morning, you now have 12 million. That's extra 2 million naira. That money she wanted to use to buy land. I don't know what land you want to buy that will give you that under a night without stress. No stress. No stress. Go to investorpath.org. I am consistently right. I'll still come back tomorrow to show you that I was right when I said that Bitcoin will not be at 103 by tomorrow. 100% sure. If Bitcoin is still at 103 by Trump's inauguration, which is on 20th in the next 2 days, block me.